Hey everyone! Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your custom LinkedIn profile URL quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type linkedin.com and press search. Step 3. Once LinkedIn opens, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 4. Click on View Profile. Step 5. Tap the pencil icon next to your custom URL to edit it. Step 6. Type your new custom URL and save the changes. Your LinkedIn profile now has a personalized URL. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple and professional tech guides. See you in the next video.